right now,
You know,
but I
if you
can.
come here, you have to come here prepared.
Yes
You do
po.
not come here unprepared. Alam mo na, tatanungin ka eh. Ikaw sikat na contractor, papa-interview ka. Oh, you have to come here prepared.
Your Honor, I am prepared for the flood control projects that you are mentioning. I have the statistics of how many I bidded and how many I lost and how many I won.
Okay. And who is this Maritoni Miligrito, the owner of Elite? General contractor. Who is this? Answer.
Pinsan ko po, Mr. Chair.
From the left pocket to the right pocket. Sino ba talaga sa DPWH ang nagbibigay sa inyo listahan ng mga projects for bidding? Turo mo na.
Wala po akong knowledge po. The list.
Naka 6 minutes ka na, erap.
Madam Diskaya, Sarah, it is common knowledge that you own 9 companies, namely St. Gerard, St. Timothy, Alpha and Omega, Elite General Contractor and Development Corporation, St. Matthew, Great Pacific Builders, YPR General